Well, good day, everybody. It's Shane Head for PopSales.com, formerly known as Pop RVs, coming to you today from Denton, Texas, and really glad to share a hard-to-find unit with you today. This is a very clean, well-kept 2009. This is the Pleasureway Excel TS. This is a 22-foot Class B plus, is what I classify this as. Could be considered a Class C, but it is the Pleasureway Excel TS, built on the Ford chassis. Really great setup. The ideal couples RV with lots of versatility. We're going to take you around, show you a few of the details on this unit. As always, if you're interested in seeing this one in person, making an offer, or even work on getting pre-approved for RV financing, two different ways to help you do that. One, give us a call at the number you see in your video, or better yet, use the link in the video description to head on over to the website at popsales.com. There you can view well over 80 pictures that I took here today, all the factory specifications. And again, from the website, you can conveniently make an offer, schedule a showing, work on financing, or just ask general questions. So lots of things to like about the Pleasureway. No slide outs on this, so super easy to maintain. Of course, being the size that it is, it's easy to drive, easy to park, and Pleasureway known for putting together a really well-built quality motorhome. Modular construction on the build out of the RV itself. 5.4 liter Triton V8 from Ford, only 24,000 miles. Date codes on the tires are from 2021. You do have a Cummins own-end generator, 2800 down there. Hot water heater. This does have its own wet bath. Lots of storage behind the fold-down couch. Factory installed from Ford receiver hitch, up to 10,000 pounds of towing capacity. Already has your 7-pin connector. You've got a nice Fiamma F45 awning that comes out that has a manual control on that. Really nice to have that. So you can see the graphics are still in good condition. The paint overall looks really good. Nothing I would consider abnormal wear and tear. Let's go ahead and make our way inside to the really nice upscale interior. As you come in, you've got your main light switches, your dimmer switches, and a really bright wood accented interior, so really keeps things modern looking. All your controls here, your Cummins own-end generator only has 47 hours on it. Solid surface countertops here in your galley kitchen with a small sink and a 2-burner cooktop. You've got a Dometic refrigerator, convection microwave, nice storage closet with your table, your pedestal table that can go into the floor. Talk about the bathroom. Plenty of room in here. You got a drain in the floor, detachable head there for your shower, privacy curtain there as well. Surprising amount of space in an RV this size. Back here in your lounge living area, you've got the fold-down sofa. These chairs also fold out to really make this sleeping area really big, but really comfortable. I'm real impressed with the condition of this synthetic leather. No peeling or cracking. It's still holding up really well. We'll go ahead and sit down and give you a vantage point sitting on the couch looking forward. So you've got a nice corner-mounted TV, DVD player up above, Sony Bluetooth 4K tuner up top. No odd smells, no signs of any water intrusion. You've got nice flush-mounted LED lamps up here in your ceiling panels. Pull-down shades. Really pretty cabinets. You've got this Berber-style carpet here in the back that still looks pretty good. Vinyl here in the middle, and then carpet again up in your cab area. And again, look at the condition of the seats. These seats are nicely bolstered. Material still in really good condition. You've got an updated JVC head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course, the Ford chassis is going to give you the things automotive-wise you're going to want as far as power windows and locks, tilt and cruise control. Again, this is a super easy unit to drive, and you do have this wraparound track here for your privacy shade, so you can really black this thing out at night for complete privacy. Again, I really consider this the perfect couples RV, easy to take anywhere. So there it is, guys. It's the 2009 Pleasureway Excel TS, available at popsales.com. You can head over to that website using that link in the video description to look at all the pictures. and look at the factory specifications. And of course, from the website or by giving us a call at the number, you can request a showing, make an offer, or even start working on getting a finance approval. So from Denton, Texas, for popsales.com, Shane Head says thank you for watching.